winter weather advisory in effect from 8 a.m. Thursday to 3 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 16 inches. Where? Wasatch Mountains, I-80 North, Wasatch Mountains south of I-80, Western Uinta Mountains, Wasatch Plateau Book Cliffs and Central Mountains. When? From 8 a.m. Thursday to 3 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Additional details. Be prepared for winter driving conditions and allow extra time when traveling. Slow down and use caution while traveling. For graphical depictions of the snowfall forecast, including official National Weather Service forecast, high-end amount, and low-end amount, visit weather.gov/Salt Lake City/winter. For winter road conditions from the Utah Department of Transportation, visit http://www.traffic.utah.gov/roadweatherforecast.aspx or dial 511.